Finland to provide generators and heating equipment to Ukraine for winter aid. Emergency meeting held by Finnish Health Committee to address tense work environment. Half of Finnish online stores failed to follow price drop notification rules. Finnish Prime Minister Petteri Orpo announced that the country will support Ukraine in the upcoming winter by providing generators and heating equipment. The announcement was made during a joint press conference between Orpo and Ukrainian Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal in Helsinki on October 18, 2024. Orpo stated that the aid package includes 11 shipments of winter assistance, including generators, which will be delivered in the coming months. He also emphasized that Finland had signed a healthcare cooperation agreement with Ukraine. Ukrainian Prime Minister Shmyhal expressed his gratitude for Finland's ongoing support since the war began, describing Finland as a close friend of Ukraine. He also highlighted that Ukraine's peace plan and victory are not separate goals but complement each other. This meeting is part of the two countries' joint efforts to strengthen relations and promote future cooperation plans. On Friday, Finland's Social Health Committee held an emergency meeting to address the issue of a stressful work environment. The meeting did not discuss changes to the committee leadership but focused on establishing working rules, emphasizing mutual respect and adherence to the established schedules. Chairperson Kristar Kiuru urged not to rely on unfounded rumors from the media. Vice Chairperson Mia Laiho denied reports from Helsingin Sanomat, which alleged that she had harshly criticized Kiuru. Both Kiuru and Mia Laiho affirmed they would not resign. During the emergency meeting, committee members agreed not to delay work and to treat each other with respect. Kiuru emphasized that the media should be cautious with anonymous reports about the committee's working atmosphere. After the meeting, the committee retained its authority to review issues related to the hospital system and online alcohol sales. According to Hintaroopa's results, only half of the 50 online stores in Finland comply with regulations on price reduction notifications. The survey focused on whether stores announce the lowest price within 30 days before the discount. Consumer protection laws require stores to clearly display the lowest price from 30 days prior to applying a new discount. Fashion and footwear stores struggled the most with compliance, while electronics and sports stores performed better. Some stores only showed crossed-out higher prices instead of the lowest price in the past 30 days, making it difficult for consumers to determine the real discount. As a result, the Consumer Protection Agency updated its guidelines in August to clarify this regulation. However, the survey revealed that many stores still did not comply, especially as major shopping events like Black Friday approach. On Wednesday, a house fire in Imatra resulted in 2 deaths. Police suspect the fire was deliberately set. The victims, a middle-aged couple living in the house, showed no signs of external involvement. According to police, the investigation at the scene indicated elements supporting the suspicion of intentional homicide. The case is currently being investigated as a murder. Initial evidence suggests that the speed and intensity of the fire indicate a deliberate act. The police will continue their investigation over the coming weeks to clarify the cause and context of the incident. Currently, banks in Finland are gradually discontinuing secure vault services, a once popular service that younger generations are unfamiliar with. In the past, secure vaults were widely used, prompting banks to build large numbers at their branches. However, demand has significantly declined due to digital developments, and major banks like S-Pankki, Danske Bank, and Akti are no longer offer this service. Only Osuuspankit, Nordea, and Säästöpankit continue to maintain vault services. Seppo Polonen, vice director of Osuuspankit North Karelia, stated that many young people are unaware of secure vaults. He also highlighted that small valuable items and documents are now typically stored at home using personal safes. Polonen noted that while many documents have been digitized, wills still need to be stored physically as they cannot yet be converted into digital format. Since May this year, the junction between Tampere-Rentier and Sartar-Kun-Nantier roads in the city of Turku has caused many dangerous traffic situations. With traffic reaching up to 40,000 vehicles per day, lane changes in the area have created chaotic traffic. Short and unclear lanes, combined with some drivers following old regulations, have led to numerous near collisions daily. Police officer Christian Vidjeskog from southwest Finland reported that navigating the junction is challenging, causing dangerous situations. Local residents have complained that the current lanes are not clear enough, especially with winter approaching, as snow could cover the road markings, adding further risks to traffic. While the city government has acknowledged the feedback and implemented some adjustments, more improvements are still needed to ensure the safety of road users, especially with ongoing construction work in the Lagamo area. Tomi Ek, a 44-year-old man from Vantaa, Finland, has applied for around 250 jobs over the past 2 years, ranging from CEO positions to retail jobs. Previously, the CEO of Oviku company, Ek stated that he has faced numerous challenges in finding employment, particularly in the current economic downturn. He shared that applying for jobs has not been easy, with many applications receiving no response from employers. Despite his best efforts, he only had one interview opportunity for a sales director role in the construction industry. Although the situation is tough, Ek remains optimistic about the future and views the job search as a learning experience. Many Finns in their 30s are choosing not to have children, despite knowing that fertility declines over time. Common reasons include concerns about the state of the world, financial difficulties, or not finding a suitable partner. These worries have led them to deprioritize having children while they are younger. Others face unwanted infertility and struggle to conceive. However, healthcare professionals emphasize that women's fertility declines significantly after the age of 30, and this needs to be more widely understood in society. The price of long fiber softwood pulp, an important product in Finland's forestry industry, has dropped after reaching record highs during the summer. This has raised concerns for forestry companies, as UPM issued a profit warning this week, highlighting declining market demand and challenges in the pulp sector. Currently, the price of long fiber softwood pulp in Europe ranges from $1,560 to $1,570 per ton. The strong price fluctuations, at times differing by as much as $400 in just a few months, are mainly due to changes in supply and demand, as well as the influence of international markets, especially from China. China often increases purchases when prices are low and reduces them when prices rise, having a significant impact on the market. Meanwhile, Finnish forestry companies have invested billions of euros in pulp mills and bio-factories, facing financial pressure as pulp prices plummet. The Torni Hotel in Tampere is planning an expansion with a new tower next to the existing one. This project is being carried out by the Socotel Hotel Company, part of the S Group, and the Airlo Insurance Company, in collaboration with the city of Tampere. Construction is expected to begin in 2027. The new tower will have around 300 hotel rooms, several restaurants, and large event and conference spaces, capable of accommodating over 2,000 people. Additionally, the old locomotive warehouse area will be integrated into the hotel complex. One of the two warehouse buildings has already been connected to the current hotel and is being used as a restaurant, while the other building is temporarily in use. The detailed plan is still under review, and collaboration between the city and stakeholders is progressing smoothly. The project will also address connectivity issues with the central railway station currently being planned.